How do you change the data labels in Tableau? In this example, I have a custom label with sales and profit on each bar. Let's add a new sheet and see how to do that in Tableau. I've added a new sheet and I have a bar chart of sales by region. I can add a label by clicking Label, Show Mark Labels, but I don't have the ability to adjust the label at all. What you need to do is drag a copy of sales onto the label mark. Now when you click Label, you have this Lisp available, so you can click this button to edit your label. I can type whatever I want in here, so I can type sales, make it bold. A field that looks like this is passing the number into the label. I can also insert different fields into the label by clicking Insert and the field. Click Apply, then OK. In order to make a field available to include in a label, you need to drag it onto the label field. So I'm going to drag profit onto label, and I'm going to drag region onto label. Now when I click on label and then the edit button, I can use these fields anywhere in the label. I'm going to put region on top, followed by sales and profit. Make that bold, apply, and then OK. And I have each region and the sales and profit on a custom label. Hope this helps.